Equities have a good start to the morning as I speak to you right now. We've got the Russell leading up 1.29%, Nasdaq up about 1.1%, both the Dow and the S&P up about 0.9%, a little bit more than that. We had housing starts and building permits beat expectations, and that could go a long way toward slowing that supply shortage of homes that have driven housing prices so high, especially since mortgage rates are going higher, and that is continuing today. Huge jump in the 2-year note from 246 to 254 this morning. 5-year, 279 to 286. 10-year, 285 to 291. And the 30-year, just a hair below 3% now, 299. A little bit of flattening of the yield curve, but certainly nothing to worry about. The IMF cut global growth estimates yesterday, but not by much. Only about 0.3% as China is starting to slowly reopen some factories. One of those is indicated to be the Tesla factory in China. So we'll see how that progresses. Now, crude is dropping. That's always a good news for the equity markets, for the inflation picture. Crude falling over 4% down on the 102 handle on WTI right now. The U.S. federal government is going to hold oil and gas lease sales in at least 8 states in June after a court overturned President Biden's moratorium on oil and gas drilling on federal lands. Now, we do have upcoming earnings and data. President Biden is discussing infrastructure this afternoon. We got Chicago Fed President Charles Evans speaking today. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari speaking as well, and that's leading a slate of Fed speakers that we have this week. Now, earnings after the close today, big ones. We've got 2 of the big tech names, Netflix and IBM, along with Interactive Brokers and some regional banks in Wintrust, First Horizon, and Pac West Bank. Tomorrow, before the market open, we get Procter & Gamble, Abbott Labs, and Baker Hughes. Those are some big industrial companies, along with the pharmaceutical end of Abbott Labs. And then tonight, we get the Japanese tertiary index for February. Tomorrow morning, U.S. existing home sales. We'll see if interest rates have hit that at all, along with San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaking, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans speaking again, and then we get the Fed Beige Book in the afternoon.